Hello guys, today we're gonna be breaking another drill. We call this one a 2 minute and 30-second drill. So as you can see, we have 9 players and then we have 1 ball. So player number 1 stays on the middle, number 7, and there are also 3 players waiting on the other half of the court. And then 1 passes to his left to player number 2, and that will be our first pass before half court. Right? After that, player number 2 passes to player number 3, and then player number 3 makes layup. 1 and 2 stay in the lanes and get inside the 3-point line before the shot is taken. So make sure that player 1 and 2 should sprint before player number 3 makes his layup. Alright, then after that, player number 4 rebounds and passes to player 5 before half of the court, and then 6 or player number 6 sprints to shot the layup. So same thing that the previous players did a while ago. So 4 and 5 also stays on the lane, as you can see, and then they will do the same thing going back to the other half of the court. So the goal is to make a 20 to 32 buckets in just 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So only 1 dribble per player or only 2 passes are allowed. Alright, let's look at the drill one more time. Okay, there. Pass to player number 3, and then player 4 rebound, goes back to the other half of the court, and the drill continues. So hope you like it, and hope this will help you during your practice. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, and share. Thank you.
Like and share for more.